Today I'm going to give you a brief tour of the Userful Control Center. This is where you're able to control all the displays connected to your Userful PC. I'm showing you a demo version and you can use it yourself at demo.userful.com. First, a quick overview. On the right-hand side here we've got the displays, both individual displays and video walls. Beside those, we've got content. Beside those, we've got the control options. I'm in mapping right now, but I can go to displays and see the displays that are connected there, storage, settings, and support. When in mapping, I've got a couple of other options. Show IDs, which would now show all of the screen numbers on those actual screens. New source, which you use to create content. I'll create one just now so you can see how it works. Capture to capture an HDMI source through a Blackmagic capture card. You can see it's quick to set up. I'm just going to choose the default settings. Once I click OK, that option is now visible down at the bottom. I can simply drag and drop screens or even video walls down, and now those will play that capture source. When there's only one source, it will automatically play. If there's multiple sources, you can choose to have it automatically play using this icon here. Now you can see when I move a screen around, it's highlighted in yellow. If I click apply, that pushes those changes out to the displays themselves. Let me click on that video wall and I'll show you a few cool things you can do through the control center with video walls. First off, we've got a 9-screen video wall here. I can add rows and columns and then assign screens. I can also rotate the entire canvas. I can look at it through this spacing interface. I can also switch it to artistic, which allows you to rotate individual displays to any angle. Through this display settings interface, you can rotate on a numeric value and place on a position on XY canvas using numeric values as well. You can also force the display size here. With Userful, you can mix display sizes and types on an artistic video wall. The size is dictated by the EDID, but can be overridden through this interface. I'll click OK there, and now you can see I've made those slight changes and they appear here on the control center. And I can drag and drop these to any of the different content options that they've got. And here you can see some of these zones that we've got can be dragged and dropped and placed in different spots as well. Let me show you how zones are created. I click the plus button, add additional zones, and then select the displays that I want to be in that zone. I can create multiple zones, and once I click OK, those zones appear here unassigned, and I can drag them and drop them down to different content sources. Now, obviously, only one piece of content can be played on any zone at any given moment. This has been a quick tour of the Userful Control Center.